Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So, dear friends, in this short reading, it's not short, a little bit elaborated. We're going to check the energy vibrations of the upcoming week for all of us. Let's see what energies the upcoming week is bringing. So, let us pull one card from here to check the overall energy of the week. Alright, we have number 48 and it talks about the financial discipline. So this week the guidance is coming for us for financial discipline, and this goes in various directions. Normally people understand financial discipline as becoming very stingy. It is both ways. If you are too easy with finances and frivolous purchases, impulsive purchases, it could be a guidance for you to keep a check on that. But if you are one such person who is holding on to money and not spending money on the right places where it is needed to give value to yourself and your loved ones, maybe the guidance is for you to spend some money on the important areas. You will know it better. So the overall energy is financial discipline. And in past few months I saw this card was coming for me, and for me this card meant that I was careful about my spending. And sometimes it is not that you focus a lot on earning. It is also important that what you earn, you try to save a certain percentage. So this card for me in the past few months has meant that put a certain amount for saving and keep the rest that you are going to use for the month, and be disciplined in doing that. So maybe for somebody that is the guidance. Let's see what else is there. So finances, money become important in this week. All right, let's see what is the overall energy from the tarot cards. We have the wonderful energy of the Page of Wands, and that is why the financial discipline is important. Page of Wands is coming with a good news. Page of Wands also talks about a very adventurous kind of energy. So a good news with regard to travel could be coming for you. Or anyhow, Page of Wands talks about a very youthful kind of energy. So sometimes when we are in this energy of a teenager, youthful energy, we happen to do some frivolous purchases. But as the overall energy, this is a very beautiful card. And it also talks about a child being important today in this week. Can be a good news with regard to your child. But we are going to check one more card to see what is this good news about. Whoa, this is regarding travel. So there is going to be a communication regarding travel. This week's energy is very fast moving energy. Quick decisions, quick communications, flights being booked, travel. Some kind of an information can come to you from visa departments, PRs, citizenships, or some information with regard to passports. Somebody could be traveling towards you. A job from a travel industry, that kind of good news could be coming. Alright, so there's a revelation of a truth. Something that you were looking for, a clarity. There is going to be a communication. So there could be a communication with a child also, or with somebody who has a very young spirit. And there could be a revelation of a truth, a clarity. There was a situation in your life, a situation that you were not tackling head on. Most probably you were running away from this situation. You were trying to make a sneaky move There is going to be a clear communication in this situation, and there's going to be a lot of freedom as a result of this communication. I have been sensing the energy of a lot of fear in the past few weeks for everybody in the collective, and so that Kali Mata healing was being made. So I believe that, there was some kind of a situation that you were dealing with regard to a person, most probably, who is narcissistic, controlling, or toxic, and you were very fearful. There could be a clear communication, or there could be something that you wanted to manifest, most probably getting rid of this person. That kind of a communication can come to you, which can bring you happiness and joy. All right, let's see what else is there. All right, we have a dealing with a fair man. So overall energy of the week, guys, financial discipline, lot of communication, travel, and there's going to be a dealing with a fair man. So now this fair man can literally be fairer in complexion, or this fair man is very fair in their dealing, or they have, as they say, dealing or relationship with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. So can be having gray or white hair, maybe they are older in age, can be having blonde hair from another country, but this man is going to be the highlight of the whole week. Maybe some kind of a communication with them, but I see a good news. This is a good news with regard to a court case or a situation where there was deception, there was cheating, there was theft. There's a win in that situation. Something that you had lost is going to come back to you. Something like that I am sensing. And there could be a situation regarding this man that, maybe there is some kind of an expectation from them for finances or something, and you could be speaking your real part. Something of the sorts. Let's see. All right, guys, let's move on to let's see what's going to be your personality in this week. Your personality, which is going to be very important. Absolutely love it. So with the King of Pentacles, your personality is supreme. First of all, the personality of a king, which means that you are extremely abundant. Secondly, the King of Pentacles is an extremely grounded person. This is divine masculine energy, extremely grounded person. Somebody who is very generous also. The King of Pentacles, as we talk about Pentacles, has a lot of money. Pentacles talks about money. So this is a king who has a lot, but they are very generous, they are very loyal, they are very grounded in their energies, and that is what is your energies. All through the week you are going to feel extremely good in your health. With the Pentacles, it's the physical body health is very good, and when your physical body and your health is good, your emotional and mental body feels very stabilized. That is one thing. Health is going to be very good for you. Money is going to be very good for you. You're going to be able to earn good money through your career, jobs, businesses, anything. Stability, security is going to be there. And financial discipline is going to be there. You guys are the Kings of Pentacles, which means that you know it all. You know where to invest, where to hold back your money, how to take care of your money. So everything looks good this week. It's a beautiful personality types. Let's see one more card from here. Yes, I love it. So you are going to be in the energy of self-love. So this self-love card with regard to financial discipline is telling me that you're going to be investing on yourself. You're not going to be, mindlessly giving your money away to anybody, because it's very hard earned, and you're going to be indulging to take care of yourself through your money. Absolutely. In this week, The energy is beautiful. Absolutely, a person who gives a lot of love to themselves is then fulfilled and their cup is ready to share with others also. So guys, enjoy this week a lot because I absolutely love the energies of King of Pentacles. This is beautiful. You're going to be very self-assured. You're going to have a lot of respect for yourself and you're going to be completely, feeling that I am there. I am there. I love this energy for you. Let's see what else is there in your energy. Wow, I love it. King of Pentacles is never in a hurry, dear friends. So we have the tortoise energy. The energy is very similar to that of a Taurian person. Slowly but surely getting ahead. So you have no hurry. You have no hurry. This is very Taurian kind of an energy when somebody is very self-assured, self-satisfied. Absolutely love this energy for you guys. All right. Let's see what's there in your environment. Let's put these cards in the mid. And let's just... All right. Let's see what's there in your environment. Physical activity, number 67. Yeah, we saw the Page of Wands. That was a lot of adventure. So physical activity is there in your environment, which is with regard to travel, movement, walk, anything. That is something that is calling you also. Mother Gaia is calling you. And we have in your environment the Hanged Man. So a Taurian person could be evident for you. In your environment, there are opportunities of physical activity because the hangman is doing yoga. So there in your environment, there is a connection that you're building with some kind of physical activities, like you are doing meditation, yoga, or you're coming in contact with people who are spiritual, more spiritual in nature. A combination of these two cards is telling me that you're coming in contact with, in your environment or something around you is such that is calling you to open up your third eye chakra, crown chakra, and see the world from a different perspective. And you are, also being called to do some kind of physical activities, yoga, meditations. In your environment, we have opportunities of travel. Of course, we see the ships over here. Three of Wands does talk about expansion and travel. So we have Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and Taurian energies in your environment, and there are opportunities of travel and movement, expansion. All right, what else is there? Whoa, we have spiritual love. So yes, I was understanding that, with the Hanged Man, you are going to be a lot in going inside kind of a mood. Yoga, meditations, healing, and then coming in spiritual love with your higher self, your inner child, your guides. But in your environment, there is spiritual love that could be developing with a lot of people. There is expansion happening because you've started seeing life with a different perspective. One, there is love with spirit. Second, the love that you are developing now is not just from your heart. It is from your thymus and your crown chakra. This is beautiful. You are loving the spirit of people. This is something very deep, dear friends. So your environment in the upcoming week is all about spirituality, inner development, working on oneself. This is even the physical activity is a connection with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. You could be coming in a spiritual love kind of a connection with somebody who is far off, maybe in another city, state, or a country. You're coming in connection with them through online or somehow. And there's a different kind of a love that you experience with them. This week is different, but it's beautiful. All right, guys, let's see finally what's the guidance from the angels for this week. Strange kind of readings, guys, that I'm making, but anyhow. So we have the moon energy. We just had the new moon on 30th of December, and this week 10 days we are going to have the full moon. Full moon is going to be on 13th of January, and we have the 111 portal on 11th of January, and I'm going to make a 111 portal healing with the full moon's energy. And something you're going to release, something you're going to open up to during this full moon time, that is from 11th, 13th. Yes, there's a clarity coming. A clarity, a communication, something that you were waiting on is going to head towards you. That is the good news. Let's see. With the King of Swords. Yes. This is success, victory, name, fame, recognition. Something that you were waiting on. Now this could be a news with regard to travel, definitely. For some of you, if you were in a suspicious kind of an environment, there was no clarity with regard to love, marriage, anything. There's going to be clarity, there is success. Position upgrades, clear communications, interviews, you guys are going to crack. Exam results, good. All right, let's see. We have a card over here, love. So the guidance is to follow everything from your heart, love. We did see that the energy in your environment is also spiritual love. Pursue what you love. Guidance. With the 111 full moon portal, there's going to be a clarity coming from Archangel Michael, which is going to lead you to success. Love and marriage manifestations. Beautiful heart chakra opening, heart and mind aligning. And we have the opportunity or windfall. This is a very, very prosperous week for you guys. So I'm making this reading on the 5th of January. We're going to take the energies until the 10 days because I love it. So upcoming 10 days, guys, is 15th. In this portal, we are going to have 111 portal and the full moon portal. So this is very opportune time. Windfall gains, guys. Let's pull one more card and see. We have the horse card. We did think about the journey. We have a short journey. So you guys could be traveling and manifesting an opportunity of windfall gain or love, something that you love. Last but not the least, one more card. All right, we have the mice energy. Discord among friends and family. This situation, I believe, can heal in this week. What about the discord? What about the discord among friends and family? Slowly but surely getting ahead. So it is also possible the fear energy was there. If there is a fearful energy attached with your friends and family members, trust me, this energy, I believe, is going to be cut off with Archangel Michael, Kali Mata. This kind of discord, kind of, where the energy does not align with you. Slowly and steadily, these people are going to move out of your life, and there is something new. An opportunity of windfall, a short journey is going to take you towards something that is more aligned with you. So let us give a closure to this reading, dear friends. Beautiful reading. Let me make a gist of it. This whole week, you guys have to focus on financial discipline. You guys are very grounded, financially very stable, secured. There could be opportunities of financial growth and success that come towards you, windfall gains. Your guidance is with the portal of 111 and the full moon. There are going to be opportunities of success, growth for you. Love is coming into your life. Pay more attention to yourself. Pay more money to yourself. Save. Spend on things that are of value to yourself. And finally, cut your cords from any friends or family members that take more than they give you. An older man or a fairer man is going to be the focus of this week for you guys. Extremely opportunistic week. Energy of children, energy of older people, energy of people living in another city, state, or a country. But it's a week of success and growth for you guys. You are the King of Pentacles. Hold all the authority, all the decisions in your hand, and enjoy this week thoroughly well. Thank you very much, my beautiful friends of love and light. And love is the main focus as well. Enjoy.